So now, when it comes to electrical and plumbing, this is where you need to be talking to somebody that has some experience in those areas. Generally, you know, your outlets are no further than 8 foot on any one wall. You should have an outlet, okay? And they're generally all the same height. You can change it, but generally that's what you want. When it comes to lighting, you don't generally want your lighting circuit on your outlets, because if somebody trips an outlet, they could be shutting the lights off in the house. I personally don't want my lighting on the same circuit as an outlet. So you're talking about a certain amount of circuits that are going to be for this addition. Maybe just one if it's a small addition. One circuit, maybe two. Do you have the room in your panel for that? I mean, you can do piggybacks, you can do slims. We know where there was one, now there's two. So that you do that enough that you can bring in a 220 if you need to put in a air conditioner in a window unit or a mini split. You you can do that, but you need to look into your panel and see if you can carry it. That 200 amp service is only generally going to carry 250 amps. Are you already maxing out? Are you going to have to go to a larger service? Generally you go from 200 amp to 400 amp with sub panels, and you could be getting into some money if you're having to build a big addition that has you're already maxed out on your service, especially if it's an older house with a 100 amp service. Putting in a 30 amp air conditioner, might not be what you want to do.